how to add or edit your bio on your Pinterest. Today I will show you how to add or change or edit your bio on your Pinterest app. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you need to open your Pinterest application like this, and after that what you should do, you have to come directly to your profile picture, your profile icon, and right now come to this three line at the top of the screen. Right now click on settings, and on settings you will find like a lot of options. Just click on the first one, public profile. Right now go to about, click on it, and right now write something about you, for example in app 35, and click down. And when I back guys, click down again. When I will back here, I will see that I have my bio right now. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.